This video demonstrates how to use the editor view conveniently in eSquare Studio. In the editor view, you can edit source files, set breakpoints for debugging, and much more. The editor view is opened by double-clicking the source file in the Project Explorer view. First, an introduction to the code navigation features. Open the outline view from the window, Show View, Outline menu. The outline view shows the outline of the file in the editor and allows you to jump to any part of the file. To jump to the declaration, use the F3 key or the Navigate, Open Declaration menu. The bookmark function allows you to jump to a registered location. Register using Add Bookmark in the context menu. The list of bookmarks can be viewed in the Bookmarks view. The Bookmarks view is opened in the Show View dialog Bookmarks, which can be opened from the window, Show View, Other menu. Double-click to jump to the relevant position. Next, an introduction to the autocomplete features. Press Ctrl+Space while typing to display completion candidates. If the spell check function is enabled, candidate words are displayed in case of possible misspellings. The spell check function is configured in the spelling category of the Preferences dialog. Next, an introduction to customizing the editor view. Window, Editor, Toggle Split Editor can be used to display the same file side by side. To display whitespace characters, use Window, Editor, Show Whitespace Characters. Finally, an introduction to useful usage when debugging. Hover over a function or variable to see an overview of it. Double-click near a line number to set a breakpoint. After selecting a variable, add Watch Expression in the context menu to see the variable value in the Expressions view. Various other functions are also available. For more information, please refer to the help or to the video introducing the editor shortcut keys listed in the description section of this video.